Today I want to show you a really nice and budget-friendly 60% mechanical gaming keyboard that I came across and which I think can be a really good choice for gamers and video creators. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have the wireless Kemove DK61 Mechanical Keyboard, which has all the nice features a 60% keyboard can offer, like hot swappable double-shot PBT keycaps, RGB and anti-ghosting, a big 3000 mAh battery, as well as a USB Type-C connectivity, and so much more. But now let's unbox the keyboard and take a closer look. First impression opening the box and looking at the keyboard is that we immediately see the small size of it, and that it doesn't have individual arrow keys along with 3 extra mechanical switches. Holding the keyboard for the first time, it feels heavy and looks high quality. On the back side, it has the Kemove brand logo, and as we see, it also has rubber pads on the stands, which allow to adjust the height and prevent the keyboard from slipping on the table. It has nothing on the sides, and when we look at the back, we see it has a switch to choose between Windows or Mac, a power switch to turn on and off when you are on Bluetooth mode, and its USB Type-C port from where you can charge it or use it with a cable like an ordinary keyboard. Going on with the accessories, it has a manual, a set of tools to help you swap the keys and switches, a high-quality sleeved USB Type-C cable with the latest Type-A USB, which can be inserted both ways, and last, it has 3 additional Gatron mechanical switches in different colors, which you can swap and test how they feel and sound. Now let's talk about some awesome features this keyboard has. First of all, it has RGB. I mean, the most important thing every gaming keyboard should have. Nah, just kidding. It's not the most important thing, but this keyboard has fully customizable, addressable RGB backlight. The Kemove DK61 is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and can be connected either wired or wireless. Using Bluetooth, you can have up to 3 devices connected at the same time, where you can switch between them instantly. It has a double-sided PCB supporting hotkey swap, and it is compatible with more than 95% of mechanical shafts. It comes with brown pre-lubed Gatron mechanical switches and PBT double-shot keycaps with a side print, where we can see every other missing key, as well as the arrow keys that are also missing. Hot swapping the switches is very easy using the included tools, and you can also try the 3 extra included Gatron switches, and find what you like the most depending on your preference. Using their software, you can program keys in a unique way, not worrying about rollover, as the Kemove DK61 supports NKRO in USB mode and 6KRO in Bluetooth mode. You can also customize macros in an advanced way using the software, creating combination of actions and allocating them to specific keys, which will definitely help you, especially in competitive gaming as well as if you are a content creator. You can also control the RGB effects, where you can choose between 13 built-in types of lighting effect modes, which work out of the box and have some cool effects. Or you can create your own per key pattern, selecting the desired keys and allocating colors or making your own effects. Another cool feature it has is the music reactive mode, where it uses the music or sound effects to react, which works and looks like this. Let's also hear how loud it is when typing. Now, compared to other very similar products, the DK61 has a bigger 3000 mAh battery, which I find useful, especially if you are looking for a decent wireless keyboard where you won't need to charge too often, and you can use with a variety of devices. Another feature you get is the sound reactive mode, as I showed previously in the video. And last, the hot swap support, which may be very convenient for those who want to customize their keyboard with different mechanical switches and custom keycaps, as there are almost no limits on what you can do with the keyboard in order to get your preferred style and using experience. So to sum up, the Kemove DK61 is a decent gaming keyboard. It feels really well built, it's not rattly, clunky, or too loud, and I really appreciate the pre-lubed switches and stabilizers that comes out of the box. A negative that I could say about this keyboard is the lighting illumination of the keycaps. I find them not as bright as I would want to, but that is also due to the fact that this is a black keyboard and doesn't reflect the light as good as a white keyboard does, and that the light that comes through the letters doesn't illuminate the whole print, leaving a sort of shadow in some of the keycaps. But that's only my personal view and how I see it. All in all, I think this keyboard is a really good choice. It has everything that you could ask from a keyboard, and I suggest that you should definitely consider trying it out. I'll leave a link to the product in the description of the video, because I'm sure it will offer you a pretty good experience. Now, thank you for watching our review. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe, share, and comment if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, where we post more content and upcoming projects. See you on the next one.